Okay, time to continue where I left off. Let's go into channel. Oh, that's not right. Actually, no, it is right. Let's go into live. Click on this one. Okay, cool. That's working. Move that to the side so I can see chat. Minimize this. I'm not going to bother with opening up the Vinis at the moment because I can't be fucked. And I want to just focus on trying to get the video done. Maybe I'll open the Vinis up later, but if there's no one here, I'm probably not going to do that. Okay, so what am I doing? I have a pen. Nice. Have this notepad open, close that. I need to start closing some shit. I don't want to have a million things open again. It makes it so hard to navigate stuff when there are way too many things open. Another reason why I don't really want to have the Vinis up. It requires me to have like so many things open when I have them running. It makes it hard to navigate. Okay. That being said, though, I definitely need music for myself. Music is good. Okay. Let me see. What songs do I want to listen to? Oh, I'm just going to listen to something on repeat. Fuck it. Fuck it. Just anything will do, honestly. I just need to get into the mood, start focusing on doing stuff. And yeah. Let's click on this button. Go to filter. Play the music. Alright, cool. Got some music going. Now, what was I doing before last time? I don't quite remember. I know I was going stuck. Something to do with the rig. Yeah, okay. Open this up again. So where did I get stuck last time? Last time, this character was not exporting the pose. And I think the issue was the fact that the IK that I'm using is not of the same scale. Hold up. Why are the legs not? Wait, what? What is happening here? Was that always the case? Wait, I'm confused. Huh. Why are these still connected? In fact, why is there no IK here? Give me a second. There is IK. Huh. That might be part of the reason why things are fucked. Okay. Let's go into edit mode. And we'll disconnect this. And then what we'll do is we'll connect it with this one. Interesting. Legs are a little fucked now, but it's no big deal. Maybe. We'll see. We'll see. Put the legs together. Make this not clip through there. Okay, what's the plan now? We need to open up Unity, right? Oh, it's already open. Neat. Let's grab OBS. Move it to the upper tab. Get rid of studio mode because that's making it hard. And oh, you know what? I should probably have chat open so I can see Twitch. I have the YouTube chat open, but I don't have the other ones, so that might make things a bit, you know. Make it smaller. Okay. Did I export it? I don't remember. Probably not. Let's export this. Export as an FBX, right? Yeah. Where do we want to export it to? I'm pretty sure it's in scenes. Scenes Tea Party scene, right? Scenes, where is it? There it is. Tea Party, Mini Vini. Oh wait, this is the wrong one. I need to use the better FBX exporter, not this one. There we go. Vini selected. And then no, let's just export it. Whatever. Like, it's probably going to be a very long process of me going back and forth, being like, is it going to work? Yes, no, maybe. Who knows? So delete the Vini that's currently here. And then we'll do this one. Scenes, Tea Party. Drag that in. Oh wait, I forget. I have to go to Unity scene. Unity. Generic, humanoid, animation, stoop broken. The legs are also broken. But yo, what's up, Gryffindor? How you going? How you going? I'm just continuing off where I left last time, trying to figure out why the export for Vini's character is not working. It was pretty terrible. I spent ages going back and forth trying to figure it out. It really did not work. I think it's a scaling issue. Because this is 1, but this is 1 point something. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to try to copy to scale and just pray that it helps in some sort of way. Because I don't know, dude. Nah, that doesn't seem to do anything. When I go back to the other one, does it look like that at all? Not really. Well, actually, sort of. Wait, no, not really. Oh well. Let's just adjust the pose. Move this down a bit. Move this one down a bit as well. I think that's all right. All right, let's try the export again. I don't have a lot of faith, dude. I don't know. This is not working out very well. But who knows? Maybe it'll actually work this time now that I did mess around to scale. Export FBX. That was the wrong one. Better FBX. Better FBX. Vini. Blah 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 blah. Export. Go back to Unity. Delete the original one. Then we go in and drag. There we go. Humanoid, apply. Go to animation. Ugh. Yeah, it's still doing it. Davida also pointing up there as well. Where in this one it's pointing like that. Damn. Damn. I guess we'll just select these. Whoops. We'll select these. Go to pose mode. Let's go to like here, I guess. Reset. That's interesting. Why is that what it looks like when you reset it? Huh. What's this? So that's at 0 here. Interesting. These are no longer at 0, and they're pointing over there. I think we need to go back into edit mode. Probably for both of them. Edit. Yeah, we need to fix this up. We'll snap to vertex, grab the base, and switch this over to, whoops, to active element. Yeah, and I would grab it by the base, by the root, whatever you call it. And we'll just snap it over here. Get that. Snap it. Very nice, very nice. Uh-oh, not very nice. Yeah, I don't know if I'm actually going to be able to figure this part out, honestly. It's it's gonna be hard. Like, I'm not really sure what I'm doing. I'm not sure why it's not working. I keep trying and I try, but I'm not having a lot of luck. Okay. I'm gonna save this as Tea Party Pose 2. Just in case if I regret this decision, I can go back. Save as. Alright, I'm pretty sure the animation's gonna be broken now because of the, yeah, because I just changed some stuff around. But hopefully it'd be better still. Lift this up. That's not working the way I thought. Yeah, I don't think the scaling was the issue, because now it's the same scale and the rotation and stuff is fixed, but it's still going to be broken, isn't it? I'll just save it here again. And then I will grab the skeleton, export it. Oops, that's the wrong one. Vini, better export. See, that's concerning, right? Like, I just exported it and it just reset. Maybe I didn't keyframe? Oops. Okay, let's try again. File, export, FBX. Beanie. Alright, let's go back to Unity. Let's see what difference this might have made. Honestly, I don't have a lot of faith that it's really done anything at all, but who knows? Maybe we'll get lucky. Maybe it'll actually make a difference. Though I doubt it. Wah, wah, wah. Damn. How's the arm positioning right now? It's pointing in like that. What does it look like in Blender? No, it's pretty similar. But the hand still just isn't working. Okay. Let's... Is there something we can do that can, like, fix it? Like, when we come over here, the arms are like that. But when we look at the Unity one, what does it look like? Like this. It's like twisted. Why does it show it like that with the hand twisted over for the T-pose? I just don't understand what's causing that to occur. Hmm. I don't know. What if we just temporarily disable the IK? If we disable that, and then we run it again, and we export it, does it export normally, or is it still broken even with the IK? Export FBX. Let's find out what's causing this. Huh. Where is Unity? Here it is. Now we switch. We do. Yes, we do. Where is it? There it is. Delete that. Drag it back in. Humanoid, apply, animation. Okay, I don't know why the legs are like that still, but okay. Okay. Oh wait, because I removed the IK on the hands, yeah. How does it look like in Blender? I mean, it's not really the same, is it? The fuck? It's still more twisted. Damn it, even without the IK. So the IK has nothing to do with it. So even with the IK, the freaking hand is still twisted. But why? Yo, hold up. Interesting. What? Is there a different rotation here? It might be, what does it look like when this is rotated? I mean, that is normal. Yeah, that is normal. Yeah, they're not matching up. Hmm. This has no influence, but it's still causing issues. Why is the wrist not working? I don't understand. What I'll do... But I say I just don't know. I really just don't know. Like, why is it not exporting? Okay, what happens if I grab this? Yeah, I'm just going to export it with the skin and just have a look. Because I'm so confused. I'm so utterly confused. Oh wait, I'm actually going to flip the keyframes. I'm going to make the T-pose be the first one. Wait, what? Oh, I see. Nothing is actually affected there. Let me just grab pose mode. Yeah, I gotta undo all that. Then I need to grab both of these. Pose mode. Grab them all. Now let's flip them. Cool. So have the pose mode here be the first one. And then we'll just grab this, grab the skeleton, file, export as an FBX. Nope, export as a better FBX. Select the Vini, export it, come back to Unity. Looks like I already deleted it. Let's grab the Vini, put it in. So we got the body there. Let's just drag it in here. What does that look like right now? Looks fine, I guess. Errors. Why are there errors? The fuck? What is happening here? That is weird. Why are there errors? Where are the legs? Wait, what is happening? I have it selected, so why is it not? Bro, what is fucking happening? Where are the legs? Oh, this is frustrating. This is very frustrating. I do not understand what's happening now. Like, now I can't even import it without it breaking. Like, what? What? How? You gotta be kidding me. What if I come down here and export it? I just grab a skeleton, file, export, FPX, selected objects, except I need to do better again. Okay, that's working fine now. What is even happening anymore, dude? What is even happening anymore? I don't understand. I don't understand. I mean, sort of looks fine now, I think. I honestly, I can't even tell anymore, dude. I don't know what is even happening. I mean, it's not doing the thing before, right? Like before, these fingers were not straight like that. They were like this. So it's different. Okay. So what happens if I... Whoops. I'll delete this. Come on. You can do it. Delete that. And now we're going to go back to Blender. I won't switch to OB the thing. I'm just going to select it. It'll only take a second. I'm just going to re-enable the IK on the arms because that wasn't really the issue before. So hopefully when I re-enable this, it'll be fine. File export to FBX. That's the wrong file type again. God damn it. I hate how I keep doing that. I keep clicking the wrong FBX one. I don't know how I can make the same mistake like that like 10 times in a row. You think I would learn, but apparently not. Humanoid, apply, animation. Why is it not animation? Uh-oh, what did I do? That's what I did. I don't understand. Like, that's working now, right? The hand is facing... But why? Like, but why? What did I do differently? I don't understand. Like, what did I do? I don't get it. I literally just have no idea what happened here. Like, it's just working. But I spent so long with it not working. Wait, what did I do? Think, what did I just do? I disabled the IK, then I exported it, and then I switched around the things. It was still wrong, and then I did something and I exported it again, and it was fine. Wait, I need to actually look at YouTube for this. Like, how is this suddenly just working? What did I actually do? I need to recognize what happened here. Because it should not just be working for no reason. Okay, let's mute the music. And let's just watch the VOD. Honestly, I have no fucking clue. I have no idea. I don't know what I did. I don't understand why it's suddenly working. I didn't change anything. I just exported it out like a bunch of different times and it's suddenly working. It's like, why? God, I wish I knew what actually happened that made it work. Yeah, I don't know. Hmm. Okay. I guess I'll just go back to Blender and try to export it properly this time and maybe it will work. Yeah. Honestly, I have no idea why it's suddenly working. So, what if I just take this, grab these, go to pose mode, and then I just delete this shit. Add it, grab all of this, delete this shit. Now she's just sitting down. Grab skeleton, file, export, OBJ. Why am I doing OBJ? What's wrong with me? File, export, FBX. Press the wrong thing again. Don't worry, I'll get it one of these days. There we go. There we go. Vini, beta export. Let's go back to Unity. And we'll delete this one. Humanoid, apply, animation. It's broken again! What? How? I don't understand. I don't understand. What is happening? Why is it doing this? I didn't change anything. I don't get it. All I did was just the... Okay. Okay. Let's go back to Blender and undo. Just go back to Blender. This fucking piece of shit software. Okay. Let's bring back those keyframes. Because apparently we need those keyframes or it breaks it. Okay, so now that we have the keyframes back and we just export it, what is going to happen? File, export, bit of FBX, Vini, export. Let's go back to Unity. Bring it in. Rig, generic, humanoid, apply, animation. And it's fine, I think. Maybe not. Wait, let me have a look at the original. No, it's fine. Okay. Okay, so for whatever reason, we need that initial T-pose there for some reason. Maybe when we do the automatic rigging, it does something? I don't know. Okay, let's go back to Blender. So if we remove the T-pose, it breaks it. So we can't remove this T-pose for whatever reason. So what if I just start it at 20? And when we file and we export it, we go down to the animations. We use timeline range, maybe? And then we export it again. What happens? Let's go back to Unity. Rig, humanoid, apply, and now we're getting errors. Did I not select it or something? What happened there? I guess I didn't select it or something. Oh, I did. I grabbed it. I exported the wrong skeleton. Whoops. Okay, that one actually makes sense why I broke. Export, bit of FBX, Vini. Unity. Grab it, dump it in. Humanoid, apply. Animation. And the hands are fucked. Okay. So that doesn't work. Okay. So we need the T-pose or it doesn't work. But we can't have the T-pose be part of the actual animation because that doesn't make sense. So how can we have both the T-pose and the hands at the same time? Let's go back to Blender. Okay, so if we exclude the T-pose, it doesn't work. If we include the T-pose, it does work. How can I do this? Think. What if I come over here and I go to the animation tab and we make a new animation, we call it test, and then we select all of these. Actually, we probably need to select both of these, right? Select all of these, keyframe it down here, keyframe it, and then we action, and we push down the action. Now let's go up to our actions. We'll delete this one, and we'll only have the one action. Let's go back to test. Why did that not work? Why did that not work? Okay. So I guess we need, okay, so this is Vini action IK. So I guess I can delete this one and it not be a problem. So now we have the action, which is this. And then I'm going to make a new action, and we're going to call it sit. Now this new action is just going to be the sitting and nothing else. No IK keyframes, no other things. So now we have three actions. We have the action with the T-pose. Wait, why is sit doing this? Oh, because it's still connected to the IK. I wonder how that will work out. No idea. Guess we'll find out. File, export, bit of FBX, go down to the animations. We will do all actions, and then we will export it again. Now let's go back to Unity. We will delete Vini, and we'll re-import her. So delete that, grab this, import it, rig, humanoid, apply, animation. Okay. So we should have multiple animations here. We have the IK action, which actually does something. Okay. We have sit, which does nothing. Not okay. And we have test, which does this. Okay, so let's go back to Blender, and all I'm going to do is just do another keyframe for the sit animation, except I'm going to put it on 30. So I'm going to go back to Blender. So because the IK controls this, we'll simply take it from 20 to 30. So we have, oh, whoops. So we're going to pose mode, pose it here. So now we have this. And this is sit, right? So let's file, export, bit of FBX, Vini, export that, Come back to Unity. Move the tablet out of my way because this shit's a bit of a nuisance. Take the Vini, delete it, delete it. You know what? I'm going to export it again because I'm not sure. I don't actually remember if I used the right export here. Export, Vini, scroll down. Do I have all actions? I do. Okay, good. Now let's drop it in. Let us now switch it to humanoid, apply, animation. We will go through each animation now. So the IK is fine. To sit. Oh my god, it's finally working. We did it. We finally did it. Oh my god. Oh, it's finally working. It's finally working. So as long as we had one of these in a T pose, I guess it can calculate it or something properly, and then we can just do another action. Test seems like it's probably fine as well. Like, I just don't understand what was happening, dude. Like, we can see now that the hand is actually rotated the way it's supposed to. It's not like completely like facing vertical. Oh wait, I didn't switch it for Twitch. Whoopsie daisies. All right, that was that was too much time. It was such a basic fucking thing. Ah, why? Why does software have to be so finicky like this? Why? But it's done. It's solved. We know what we need to do in the future. We need to always include a T-pose. All right, so I have food here now, so I need to go downstairs to grab myself some food. So I'm gonna be AFK for 5 minutes. So I guess I'll just go to Blender real quick. I will make it text. And I'll just be like, ERB vitamins. I don't need to explain why. I'll just say PNP. Anyone who here knows. So I'll be right back. I need to go get my food. Wait. Okay. Alright, I have returned. Ugh. Though I might have to mute myself for like 5 minutes just so I can actually eat my food. Because I don't think anyone really wants to listen to me chow down on or on anything really. So I think it's time to mute myself for another 5 minutes. Sorry about this. Alrighty, I am back. That was a delicious meal, and I have the energy to continue now. All right, what was I doing though before Actually, I need some water. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I'll be right back. I'll drink some water and I'll be back. All right. I'm back. I'm back for real talk this time. I promise. I promise this time I'm actually back. Okay, I actually, no, just kidding. I was about to be like, oh, I want to be right back. No, no, no. Okay. Okay. Headset on. Music on. Okay. So, what am I doing now? I was so obsessed with trying to fix that problem, I completely forgot what my objective was. I think now that I have these, let's go back to Unity. Now we got Unity and we open. Okay, grab a sit, copy that, paste that, and we'll rename it to what? Vini sit, I guess. Rename Vini sit. Now let's open up warudo. Do 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 do. I Let me switch to the warudo scene. Okay. So what do I do here? We got the chair. We need a character. We'll pick the character to be Beanie. And now we need this to free look. Fix this up. She doesn't really seem like she fits. Anyway, let's go into the, whoops, that was the wrong thing. Go into the data folder and we'll find the animations. Character animations. Go and open up the Unity Explorer. Which one do I grab? I think it's this one. Copy that. Paste here. And then we need to do what? We need to go to the character, go to animation, go into this one, find vset. I think that's working. Where's the viewport? Here it is. Damn it. No, why is it doing that? I could have sworn I animated the dress as well. Damn it. Why did that not work? Well, we were not going to look down there anyway, so it's fine. Oh, maybe I can't animate it when there's just physics on it. Oh. Oh, that makes sense. It makes a lot of sense. I need to rotate this. Do 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 That's the camera. I need to rotate the character, not the camera. Might need to lift her a little bit. Yeah, not looking amazing, is it? Oh well, we could probably fix up that pose. The problem is though, the dress is fucked. Because we don't have any leg colliders. Damn. We'll just have to avoid looking under there. Okay, let's add Mini Beanie now. Character. Where is Mini Beanie? It's called Pool Outfit. I forget that she's called Pool Outfit and not Mini Beanie. Oh, there she is. Let's go back to the files, grab the sit mini animation, and apply that. Like, honestly, I should be able to apply the animations to both of them because they should have the same skeletal structure, but apparently fucking not. Okay, so we go to animation, go to the gallery, mini sit, and now we adjust the character, bring it over here. Okay, it's obviously clipping a little bit, but it's fine. It's fine. Scale Mini down a little bit because she's a little too big. Or not? Huh. Oh, I did the wrong one. I'm like, why is this not doing what it should be doing? There we go. That makes so much more sense. I'm like, why is it not working? Because I'm like, if she's like, if because yeah, the scale was weird. The scale was really weird. Why is her legs like that? Was it like that in the Blender file? No. I mean, it was actually. It was okay. I had her legs just fucking clipping through. Okay. Good work, me. Good work, Close. All right. Let's just ignore it then and just try to do the best that we can. Well, it does still seem like the thing didn't copy over exactly. But we'll just leave it like this for now, even though the poses are broken. I think before we refine the poses, we need to move on to the next part and just ensure that this shit's actually working, you know? I think we need to give both the characters a look at sort of thing. I look at what though? I look at the thingy. Um, where is look at IK? We will have the head, right? Yes. Target. Where's the camera? It's called Vini. I need to rename that then, because that is a really bad name for that camera. You know what? Actually, I'm going to rename it to Scene Camera instead. Scene Camera. There we go. Let's go back to the look at IK, yes. Scene camera. Oh shit. That is not exactly what I want. We got a body weight to 0. Okay. I think that's fine. Got the characters looking at the screen now. All right, what we need to do now is let's open up the what is it called? The Vini server. Did it work? Nay. Okay. Let's switch the OBS now over to the what is it called? The browser scene, I guess. Gotta probably adjust the size of this thing though. I'll just put it over the chat. Should be fine. Okay, let's go back to this. So how do we do this? We need to go to projects and we need to load the default project, right? And that should have the story queue here. Yeah, except it plays it automatically, which is bad. Because okay, actually I need to redo it. That wasn't quite right. Let's undo that. Let's run it again. Okay, let's actually fix up the audio settings first, because it's trying to generate it based off these, and this is incorrect. We want mini Vini is fine. Narrate is fine. Vini is not fine. She needs to use the what does she need to use? She needs to use letter, but she needs to use the Korean one, because that's what I was using at the time. Where is it? Fucking, there's too many languages, dude. There's too many languages. This one, co. And where's letter again? Here it is. All right. Let me just confirm that this is working. Actually, I'll come back here first. We're forcing the standard, so we're doing the fallback voice. Let's just test it. Yo, test, spots. Are you guys there? Yeah, I probably have to mute the music now because I actually need to hear them. Butts. Okay, why is this not doing anything? Oh, I disabled the hotkeys, that's why. That's right. I was using Blender, so I didn't want to have the things enabled. Okay, let's try that again. Yo, Veenies! Hello, hello, welcome to the stream. Can you talk to me, please?
Ugh, look who it is. Of course the simpleton calls. Can't you see I'm busy, pondering the vast emptiness of your brain close?
Okay,
The
damn.
temporal rift has
Okay.
opened once more, allowing an echo from the outer realms to pierce through the veil. Fear not, mortal, for my essence, though veiled, acknowledges your presence. What cosmic disturbance do you seek to report?
Alright, it seems like they're working, though I didn't check it to see if their faces were moving, though. I should probably check that. It's a bit hard to see on a smaller screen. Let me, let me play that one again.
Ugh, look who it is. Of course the simpleton calls. Can't you see I'm busy,
It's not
pondering the
working.
vast emptiness of your brain close?
Damn it.
The temporal rift has opened
That's
once
not
more,
good.
allowing an echo from the outer
That's my
realms
phone going
to
off.
pierce through the veil. Fear not, mortal,
A
for my
message.
essence, though veiled, acknowledges your presence. What cosmic disturbance do you seek to report?
Okay, just spam. Why are their voices not working? Let me look back at Warudo. Uh, the blueprints, maybe? There are no blueprints in the new scene. Oh my god, I forgot about that. There are no blueprints in the new scene. So all my blueprints aren't there. Fuck. Damn it. No. Does that mean I have to set this up again? I think it does. And slowly you come to realize. Okay, open scene. We'll open this one, the regular Beanie scene, whatever. And then we will save scene as that doesn't work. We'll just save scene as try table. Did that work? Didn't look like it. Try table. It doesn't seem to want to override it. Okay. I'll just go into the data folder then. I'll go into scenes and then I'll just delete the old try table and save a new one, I guess. Unlucky. Grab this. Fuck this. Save scene as try table. There we go. So now we're in try table. We have all our blueprints now. So we should be able to now fix everything up in the viewport. So I'm going to switch back over to Warudo in order to do that. We'll hide Mini Vini right now. We'll set up the scene again. Damn, dude, I wish there was an easier way to like do the blueprint data. It's actually sort of really annoying, eh? I mean, I guess I could save the, I don't know. I don't know, dude. It's sort of weird. Let's do I have a prop? I don't. Let's add a prop. we'll make it the tri table, and then we will get rid of the camera. Transparent background, no. Oh, found a table. So over there. Time to fit it all again. Hooray. When I say hooray, what I actually mean is, God fucking damn it. Okay. Um, let's play music and keep going. Um, da, da, da. Sit. What's with the camera? Why is it so weird? Does it have orbit? Oh, it is orbit. Let me just free look. Like, damn. Like, why is... I was wondering what was happening. It was being so strange. Okay, let me... There we go. Now let's rotate these individuals. Why is it 300 and something? Oh, it's staring at the camera. Was that always like that? Huh. Neat. Anyway, let's do it for this one now. Okay, she doesn't have it applied. Bastard. Let's have a look at this. Bring this down a little bit. It's fine. A little hard to control the space, but what can you do? There we go. Probably need to bring her a bit more over here. Mini Vini is... whatever, she's fine. Maybe not. Ah, whatever. It just looks so weird. It looks like she's so much higher for some reason. Because she is, right? Maybe I need to pull her back. Yeah, I probably need to pull her back. Probably have to change the scale. Why is Mini Vini so big? Yeah, I'll do. Maybe not. Damn it. I can't decide. Yeah, the dress is sort of throwing it off, huh? A little annoying, but whatever. She looks really high in the chair, though. I don't understand. Yeah, it doesn't really make much sense. I feel like, I don't know. This is not, it's not fitting very well, is it? Whatever. Let's just apply the look at camera. Where is the look at camera? And then look over here. Yes, body weight will be nil. Overall weight, I think it was like this amount. Same thing over here. Huh. I haven't set the camera. That's right. Camera. Camera. See, she looks like she's in the actual chair, right? She's framed in it, but this one is not. You need you need to go differently. All right, the pose isn't amazing, but at least we have the gist of what we're doing here. Okay. Let's save it here. Why does it look like she's not looking at the camera anymore? The hell? Hmm. Anywho. I mean, Mini Feeny looks like she's sort of looking at the camera, but regular Feeny doesn't look like she's looking at the camera. Why is she not looking at the camera? Move your eyes. Oh, it's based off the bones. It's not based off the damn blend shapes. That's why. God damn it. God fucking damn it, dude. Okay. We'll have to manually affect the blend shapes then. Somehow. Okie dokie. Save scene. Alright, let's go back to the browser view. Hide mini Vini there. Have to pause the music now because of... Oh shit, was I muting the wrong one every single time I burped or hiccuped? God damn it. Whatever. Whatever. Okay, let us come over here and let's just test again to see if their mouths are moving.
Ugh, look who it is. Of course, the simpleton calls. Can't you see I'm busy, pondering the vast emptiness of your brain close?
What?
The temporal rift has opened once more, allowing an echo from the outer realms to pierce through the veil. Fear not,
But why?
mortal, for my essence, though veiled,
Do I not have
acknowledges
the
your
thing set
presence.
up?
What cosmic disturbance do you seek to report?
Blueprints are there. What the hell is happening here? Wait a minute. Okay, time to go back to Warudo. What the hell is with this blueprint? Why is there nothing fitting to the character? Just save this. It's open scene. I guess we just open up this one. What does the lip sync look like in this one? The same. The fuck? Open scene. Huh? Oh, it's up here where it does it. Yeah. Okay, so we open scene to try table. Yeah, it's here. So this is where it does the character thing. Disable this then. Why is it not doing the thing then? Why is it when I play the audio, it's not showing me any audio?
Ugh, look who it is.
So it's coming
Of course,
through.
the simpleton calls. Can't you see I'm busy, pondering the vast emptiness of your brain close? The temporal rift has opened once more, allowing an echo from the outer realms to pierce through the veil. Fear not,
Huh.
mortal,
I'm
for
just gonna
my
save the scene
essence,
and quit,
though
I
veiled,
think.
acknowledges your presence. What cosmic disturbance do you seek to report?
Yo, what's up, T? What's up? No worries, no worries. It's not the most exciting scene. It's more so me just running my head against the wall apparently. Like I've had a lot of issues trying to get things to work, but hopefully it'll be fine. Cool. Well, I wish you luck on your day at college. Hope things go well. It's because it's like like 7, 8 a.m. Like most people like are typically on during like 6 p.m. to midnight range. Most people aren't on at this time. It's very early. Ugh. All right, let us test the audio for the Beanies again. Hopefully they move their mouths this time.
Ugh, look who it is. Of course the simpleton calls.
Well,
Can't you
good
see
luck.
I'm busy?
I hope
Pondering
I
the
hope
vast
the exam
emptiness of
ain't
your
too
brain
bad.
close?
You got this.
The temporal rift has opened once more, allowing an echo from the outer realms to pierce through the veil. Fear not, mortal, for my essence, though
What is
veiled,
happening here?
acknowledges your presence. What cosmic disturbance do you seek to report?
What? I have the motion capture set up here. Unless it's not using the correct input. Or some shit. No, it is. It is. Life is just hard. God damn it, dude. Why? Why is it not working? I don't understand. Wait a minute. What is the Oh, I see what's happening here. The WebSocket isn't connecting to StreamerBot or some shit. Why not? Fair enough, fair enough. You definitely need your phone to cheat. I mean, not cheat. I mean to you know, pre-study. You know, no connection was made, so it was refused. Goodbye. Huh. What if I run it again? I have StreamerBot open, so I don't get why it's not connecting to it. Unless I don't have the server running in StreamerBot. It's revising. Yeah. No, that makes sense. That makes sense. Revising is good. I'm so glad I don't have to do freaking exams anymore. Uh, oh, is that right? Is that the man's way? I mean, I don't know about that one, bro. It seems more like the irresponsible way, but each to their own. Each to their own. I have the that's running. What about the WebSocket? The WebSocket is also running. No, it's not. Why is it not running? Why? Okay, WebSocket's connected. So are the Vinies gonna work now? Be nice if they did. Yo, Vinies, work for me. Talk. Talk, I say.
My vines? Are you talking about the ones I used to trip you? Close? Do you really think
Huh.
they work for you? Sarcasm. Oh, you're just full of silly ideas, aren't you? Such a foolish normie to believe they could command the very tendrils of my suppressed power. These are not
What is
mere
StreamerBot
clothes.
doing? This is
For
so
your
weird.
amusement, clothes. They are conduits of a cosmic energy,
Okay, I'm
bound
gonna
by ancient pacts.
cancel that. I'm gonna restart StreamerBot because for whatever reason, why is the HTTP? Oh, the server isn't running. That's why. Why did the servers stop running? Please, just work, damn it. Let's go back to the studio. Let's play again. Hopefully it will work this time.
My vines?
Yeah, they're
Talking about
making
the
their
ones I
mouths
used to
move.
trip you
Hooray.
close?
The
Do you
thing that I
really
sold
think
weeks
they
ago is
work
finally
for you?
working.
Sarcasm. Oh, you're just full of silly ideas, aren't you?
Alright, let's cancel that. We'll delete that job. Let's switch over to the browser scene. minimize this a bit, and we'll start. Why is Winnie Vini's head poking up here? Stop doing that. And we will grab. Well, we have to fix up the audio settings. Have I put it to? I have. I have switched it back to the Korean one. All right. Let's go to projects. We will load the video. Go to story mode. It will go through these. And stop updating, please. If I go to edit dialogue, no, I don't want to edit dialogue. I want to see the response. What is the response?
Okay, let's talk about the audio. At first, our
I
creator
have
had a
autoplay on.
brilliant
God damn it.
idea, or so he thought. He just plugged our lip sync directly into the main computer audio. The idea was, when our voice played, our mouths would move. Easy, right? The initial hypothesis was that system audio would be a direct and efficient source for phoning generation.
Thank you. This is a bit of a problem. So it has character, line, emotion, pose, prompt. But I guess it doesn't actually have the it doesn't have the shit. It does not have the what? The camera. The camera is what I need to be able to change here. I need to be able to switch between the different cameras. Because sometimes I want to have both of them in frame, but sometimes I might only want to have one of them in frame. So, yeah, I'm going to have to change that. But it's not showing it into code. What I'll do is I'll open up VS Studio and we'll move over to continue, the AI prompt thing. And I'm going to ask it if there's any Git updates that need to be done. I don't think there is. Are there any Git updates that need to be done besides the data folder? No, no, you misunderstood. I meant any updates from this particular project file, this project scene. Do I need to push anything right now? Hmm. Looks like data. No, no, no. I literally said ignore the data photo. Oh my god, this fucking bot. Okay, let's switch over to chat. Okay, so what I need to be changed right now is that I need you to add a camera to the one of the outputs for the AI. So we'll need to change the prompt so that it returns a camera, like which camera it's using in its JSON response, and pass any code. It needs to be passed over to warudo, the same way that the emotions and everything else is passed over. Okay, let it process that. It's probably going to require me to change some files, not just in this, but also in StreamerBot, because what is it called? Yeah, because the payload will be updated to also have the extra thing, so I'll need to have the warudo parser updated to have a camera thing as well. Okay, excellent idea. Adding dynamic camera control, blah, blah, blah. Update the system prompt, the parsing logic, trigger the hotkey. Wait, what? The audio engine, which handles the playback, will be updated to send a hotkey trigger request. I don't know about that one. Can't you just, what is it called? Um, what is it called? Can't you just, wait, I need to rethink that. All right, you're gonna go. All right, see you, T. Good luck. Good luck on your test. Hopefully you ace it. You got this, bro. What is it saying? Okay, aren't we already sending a payload to StreamerBot that then gets, like, can't you just attach it to that payload? No, 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 no. Hold up, hold up, hold up. No, the chat listener, I'm pretty sure, is the WebSocket connection. The WebSocket connection isn't for that. That's just for getting the chat from StreamerBot. I need you to actually, like, this in the code somewhere. I can't remember where. It's been a while since I've updated the payload, but there's a point where we send like the emotions and the dialogue and stuff over to StreamerBot using the what is it? The do action endpoint 7474 port. Can you like find out where that location is where we do that and just add it to that payload? I don't think that. Damn it, I don't. Oh wait, it did. Thank God. Did not want to have to say that again. Okay, let's see it find the files and figure out where this is. Yeah, I don't actually remember where that file is. Hopefully, you can just find it because it's yeah. I would just tell it where to look, but I don't remember where it is, dude. I did a refactor, so I don't know where the fuck it would have went. Okay, you're spot on. The logic services StreamerBot client had a send action function where it does a post request on do action endpoint. Okay, cool. So update the system prompt, update the data model to have a camera. That makes sense. Update the Gemini client to extract the camera value from the AI's response. Update the audio engine to pass the. Wait. Hold up. Wait. You haven't. It didn't mention the StreamerBot client at all. Wait, you didn't mention the StreamerBot client at all. Where are you going to be, like, updating the payload? Okay, so okay, so the payload is constructed in Audio Engine and then it sends it. Okay. Sure. Let it have a look at the system prompt to see the thing. Where's the fucking system? Okay, I can't find it. I'll just attach the content files. Um, where is it? Okay, I'm not going to touch the file. I'll just tell it the path. Where is the path? The path is config, right? Config prompts. Okay, so it's config prompts, and then you have the system template. So it's not called fucking system prompt.txt. Yeah. Okay, got it. Wait, it added? Really? Hold up, hold up, hold up. I'm gonna come back to here. I don't think it did add it. What is it talking about? It can't. This is the chat. All right, I want you to come up with a proper plan on how to implement this. And I'm pretty sure you didn't add it because I don't think you can actually make adjustments like that in the chat thing. You have to do it in the prompt in the other mode. So we're in plan mode right now, so just come up with the plan. Okay, we'll have it come up with the plan and then we'll have it implemented and hopefully it works. Let's delete that. Okay, switch to agent mode now. All right, go ahead. Enter. Now the annoying part is that actually no, I should probably just make a new folder and put in the StreamerBot scripts and I can't just put in the StreamerBot scripts, can I? I mean, I probably could. Um, looks good. Um, it's sort of screwing up the indentation there. Let's just accept that. Yep, okay, cool. Okay, cool. I was a little worried it would try to it would try to update the audio engine, but it realized that we've already structured the data so that we don't actually have to adjust it. We can just send it raw, so I didn't have to make any adjustments, which is good. Which is good. We only needed to change the data file, the data class for the data file, and then update the system config so it actually outputted it. So hopefully that will work. The only downside now is that how the fuck do I do this next part? So we need to go to StreamerBot. We need to go to Actions, and we need to find what? Set character expression. I need to copy this thing. Okay. Let's go to the files now. I'll make a new folder called StreamerBot, scripts, host, whatever. So AI VTuber Studio, new folder, streamer bot scripts. Okay. Let's go back to Visual Studio Code. And we actually need to make a new file. And we'll call this pass what? What are we passing right now? Pass payload. Pass payload dot, is it CS? I think it's CS. I'm not sure though. All right, let's go back to chat mode. All right, so that's cool. I've made a new folder called StreamerBot scripts, and I put in a script called pass payload, and that's the code that I'm using in order to send the data over to, what is it called? Over to warudo. Can you update it so that it uses the new camera parameter? You know, I probably can just go straight to agent. It's not that complicated of a script that we're doing here. You can pretty much just do it instantly, I think. Wait, what happened to my private window? What? Let's go back to VS Code. Of course, they update script. First, I will need the exact file name. Okay, no, it's, god damn it. God damn it. It is StreamerBot as one word. What? What do you mean you have trouble accessing the directory? Ah, fuck it. I'll just give it to it, whatever. Bro, like why, what does it mean it has troubles accessing the directory? Add this line. And add this line. Okay. What about the warudo files? Okay, let's go back to chat. All right, I updated that. Can you now go to the warudo files? I think it's passJSON.cs is the file that basically takes this JSON payload and splits it up so we can use each individual sort of variable in warudo. Actually, before I get it to do that, I probably have to see what type of input warudo takes, because it might take a camera. Like, let's have a look first. Let's go to the thing. We'll search camera. Maybe set camera? Set cam. Huh? Huh. You know what I just realized? This is not a great idea. Wait, we can't even pick a camera. What am I talking about? Can we actually not just set a camera? Is that not a node? Set camera. So we have reset camera transform, the brightness, the contrast, set camera control mode. It's not really what I want. Bro, how to... Wait, what? Camera. Orbit, focus camera on character. Get main character? Okay, so we have get main camera, but how the fuck do we set main camera? Reset, brightness, control, tint, vibrance, shake. Switch main camera. Okay. Okay. So it's switch, not get. I guess that makes sense. And what does it take as a cam? Okay, it takes a camera asset. Okay. So if I get main camera, no, that doesn't help me at all. Okay, so we need a camera asset in order to center this. Okay. All right, all right. I updated that. Can you now go to the warudo files? I think it's blah blah blah. It takes the JSON payload and splits it up so we can use individual variable in warudo. Warudo expects a camera asset as the input. Actually, I don't need to say that. I'll just say I need the camera asset. I need the output for the camera to be a camera asset. Let's just do the correct what is it called? The correct format for the name, just so it doesn't misunderstand. Hopefully it gets what I'm saying here. That wasn't the best explanation in the world, but hopefully it's enough for the bot to understand. Got it. The next logical step is to do that. Let's start by examining the comment. Yeah, you can have a look at it. Okay. Yeah, can you update it automatically using the agent? I don't want to have to do it manually. That's why I've installed you. It's sort of annoying. Like, it gives back the code there when I'm still in chat mode and says, oh, put this in. It's like, bro, it's like, that's literally what you're for. You're the one who's supposed to do this for me. I guess I'll just accept it because honestly, I don't know if it works or not. It's a CS, bro. Like, I don't know anything about, like, C sharp, like, at all. All right. Let's go over to the data warudo data, and we're going to go over to streaming assets. Where is it? Playground? Yeah, playground. And in playground, we're going to now drop in the new updated C script here. So we'll delete the old one, and then we'll paste a new one. And hopefully that works. Oh my god. Oh my god, it did not work. It did not fucking work. Hopefully this isn't going to be a massive pain. Oh, who am I kidding? This is going to be a massive fucking pain. What? Bro, what are you talking about? This isn't StreamerBot. This is Warudo now that we're dealing with. Why are you even bringing StreamerBot up right now? What are you on about? Oh wait, did I fuck up? I did fuck up. I did fuck up. That was the me problem there. Whoops. I accidentally put in the wrong file. I saw pass JSON and I got it confused with pass JSON. So, whoopsie daisies. Okay, it's still not working though. Didn't really fix it. Let's come back to here. Wondering why I was getting hot. I don't have the aircon on. Strange. Alrighty. Just go to agent mode. It doesn't seem to understand when it's in agent mode or not. Like, it keeps trying to, like, adjust the code when it's in chat mode. Alright, I've switched to agent mode. Can you please update the code now? I think I have to be explicit and be like, hey, don't give me any fucking code right now. I'm just chatting to you. I'm just making sure you're doing the right thing. Like, you think the wrapper for, like, the freaking discontinue plugin would just, whoa, what the fuck did it just do? I guess I'll accept that. Guess it's time to try to import it. Delete. Copy. Paste. This is the pain. This is the pain. It's really bad at doing this niche stuff. It's really, really bad at doing this niche stuff. Damn, it's so bad at this. Let's... Okay, we'll grab pass, delete it. Okay, we're in chat mode right now. Do not give me code, just discuss the thing. So with the logging thing, like you need to just look at what it originally was. You probably like it probably was right the first time. I don't know why you would change it so now that the logging doesn't work. And as for the other one, I need to find the API. Let's just go to warudo API. And with scripting. Data structure? That's not what I want. Assets? No, that's not what I want. Um, I don't know. I'm just gonna grab this URL. Hopefully it's enough for her to understand. Here's a link to the documentations for warudo. Look through there and try to find, you know, how to actually properly implement this. If you find the right location, also link it to me so I can make sure that it's actually relevant. Yeah, I really hate doing warudo stuff with this because it's just like there's just probably not enough data that it's been trained on. So it really struggles with warudo. Like it really, really struggles. Okay. Um all right, come up with a plan now. Actually, do we even need to come up with a plan? That seems to be a bit ridiculous. Let's just go to the agent. Like this isn't like a multi-step process. This is just one script. All right. Yeah. Now that you have the actual documentation, can you please um implement this? Yeah. I'm vibe coding right now because I'm trying to get this stupid shit to work, but yeah, it's not working out very well. I'm trying to get the project working, but struggling. Struggling something chronic. It's just hard because Warudo is too niche, I guess, is the word. Alright. Let's see if this works. The bot has given me a new solution. Is it going to be trash or is it actually going to work? Let us find out. It was trash. It was trash. It was trash. Why? Why is it not working? Damn you. The vibe view. Yeah, pretty much. Pretty much, dude. Though I'm not feeling good vibes right now because this shit is like so hard. Everything else is so easy, but Warudo, dude. Warudo, Warudo, Warudo. Let me go back to that website. I said I was supposed to freaking actually confirm that its website was the right one, but I didn't actually do that and I got lazy. Let's check what this is. Um, oops. Camera asset. Go to the warudo handbook. What is this? This has nothing to do with what? What? Camera? Hmm. Camera. Assets. See all results. Assets, tutorials, assets, tutorials. Blueprints. Hmm. You know what? I'm gonna ask the AI bot to go back to the start because it's not working. I think I need to go to like AI Studio or something like that. I feel like maybe the URL search context in this isn't as good. Can you just like return the script back to the original condition it was in from the very start, the one that actually could compile? I might have to just go to like AI Studio and try to get it working. Boom, 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 boom. Okay. Let me go to Warudo now. I'll delete the thing. No, playground. We'll delete it. And now we'll paste it in. Hopefully it actually compiles now. Please AI, don't uh don't make me regret life. Okay, cool. Um I'm gonna take the script and I'm gonna copy it into a different AI Studio chat instead. Here, I need you to change the payload to take a camera as part of the JSON payload, and I need you to use the parser thing in order to export a camera asset. Before you give me the code, we need to locate the API from the warudo site and try to figure out, where the actual documentation of this is. That was not the best constructed sentence in the world, but it's AI, so it should still be able to understand. Even Oh wait, I will also go to the warudo site, and I'm going to say your first script, send it that. So difficult and annoying this thing is. Oh wait, I don't have URL context enabled. Whoopsie daisies. And now we wait. All right. Hopefully now we can grab this and it'll work. I mean, I have very little doubt. I even said before you give me the code, locate the thing, and its first thing to do was just to immediately give me the code. So I'm a little worried, but fuck it. I'm just gonna test it out. We'll see. That's AI for you. Hey, can you do this? Sure, and then immediately fucking doesn't do it. It's like, God damn it, dude. Why? Why can't you just follow a simple instruction? You know what? I'm gonna create a copy. No, I'm gonna delete that. Actually, no, I'm not gonna delete both of them. But I will create a copy here instead. Let's go to warudo. Nope, 4 errors. And the camera asset could not be found. Okay. Not super surprising. All right, can you please not give me the code like I literally asked for last time? And instead, tell me how you plan to do it, and also show me in the API. I mean, show me in the documentation where it actually shows what you're doing makes sense. Let's see if it will listen this time, or if it will just fucking, if it will just give me code, even though I asked for it not to again. Damn, dude. I wish so many things in Warudo would just take a fucking string. It'd make my life so much easier. But it takes a particular it's like a character asset or a blah blah asset or a this asset. It's like, let me just use a string and then you can just make the asset. God damn it. Bro, it's literally just giving me the code again. Like, it says according to the API to document. Bro, I do not trust you. Stop giving me the code, please. For the love of God, just give me the goddamn documentation that you're referencing. Like, stop saying it says this if you're not showing me where you're referencing it from. I do not trust you at all. Now let's see. Oh wait, no, the sources were at the bottom. Fuck. I didn't see that. Okay, so it does the sources at the bottom. Creating a first. Oh wait, that was literally just the link I gave it. That's not the. Okay, never mind. All right, so once again, I asked you not to give me code. You gave me code. Can you find me a proper source on where to do this camera thing? You're creating your first script, doesn't actually, explain anything about the camera. So while it generates that response, I'm just going to test the script that it gave me because fuck it. Fuck it. Worst case scenario, it doesn't work and I just do whatever it says next. Delete pass, grab the new one, paste it to playground, get an error. It's only one error this time. Scene does not contain a definition for assets. I don't know if that's really any better. How's Gemini doing? It's still thinking. Still thinking. Oh my god, just fucking work. What? What? It's still giving me code. How many times do I have to ask it to not give me code? Okay, do not give me code. 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 Explain to me what you are doing. Actually, how do I even say this, dude? How do I say this in the way that, like, every time I've asked it, it just keeps giving me code? God. Okay, do not give me code. Search Google for the thing that I've asked you to do multiple times now. Like, I'm not even saying that it's wrong, but it keeps just trying to redo the code. Like, I didn't even say you were wrong. Why you keep redoing the fucking code? Like, what if it was actually right with the code, and I just still just wanted it to actually give me a reference? Like, would it just have redone the code? Because why? Okay, page not found. Could not find what you're looking for. I don't know, dude. I don't know. The problem is that if I could just find the actual documentation myself, I could just send it to it and it would be able to easily do it. But I don't. I don't know where it is. I don't know how to find it. That's the problem, right? Oh, this might be something relevant. Blah blah. Let me find camera. That's not really what I want. Damn it. Graphs, attributes. I don't know. Let's see what it says to the thing. Let's go back to the AI Studio. All right, give me the fix, AI. Please, the actual fix this time. I mean, at least it's grounded it. It's a bit more grounded now. Beforehand, it was just probably hallucinating random shit. But now that it's showing me a whole bunch of different Google searches, even if hopefully it has the correct information and then it can just figure it out. I swear, dude, trying to do like the warudo scripts is probably the hardest part out of this whole project that I'm doing. The AI is so bad at it. There's just not enough training data relevant to it, probably. Like, I'm not really asking for anything that complicated, am I? I'm just saying, like, make it the data format that it expects it as, but can't really do that, can it? Who knows? Maybe it's more complicated than I think it is. It's not like I know how this actual thing works. Holy shit, it actually compiled that time. Oh my god. Did it actually work? Did it actually work? Let's go to Warudo. What is this? Get out of my face. Okay, so where is the where's the parser? Get character by name. Oh, you know what? I probably should have made it its own fucking node. Probably would have been simpler. Fixed. Thank you for putting it fixed in brackets, Gemini. I appreciate it. It's definitely what it's definitely useful. Asset. Are you fucking serious? It's an asset, not a camera asset, you bitch. You god. Okay. I mean, you made an asset, which is cool and all, but I need a camera asset, not an asset, so doesn't really help me. In case this helps, I'm using the playground thing to do this. I mean, it should be evident based on the script I gave you already, but I don't know. Oh, you know what? No, that probably won't help at all. Hmm. You know what? I might be doing this wrong. I might be doing this the wrong way. Maybe, maybe trying to have multiple cameras that I switch between isn't the right way. Maybe it makes more sense to just have one camera and just to have a list of different locations and rotations that I switch between. mean, personally, I'd prefer to just have the different fucking cameras, but I don't know. We'll we'll see. Warudo playground delete. Warudo copy. Go back. Paste it. Now we wait. Okay, compiled, so that's good. Still just a fucking asset though. Like, what? Did it even listen to what I said? What did it even change? I fuck using Gemini. It's sucking dick. We need to switch over to Claude. Claude. Delete this one. Let me just make sure I copy pasted it correctly before I do it again. Yeah, it's just a regular asset still. Unlucky. Let's go to Claude. This is exporting asset for the camera. I need it to be a camera asset. If it doesn't work, I'm just going to have to do the changing the camera's location instead. Because I've spent way too much time trying to to just wait for the bots to give me the right answer. It says, oh my god, it's like, oh, the problem is that camera asset isn't available in a wired or playground environment, and the solution is just to keep using the generic asset type, and it should work with the camera switch. But I'm literally trying to put it with the camera switch, and it doesn't fucking work. So, like, that's obviously not the case. Okay, now it's just fucking string still. So that's even worse than before. All right, enough of this. Enough trying to get the bots to make this for me. It's clear that they can't. Maybe it's just not possible. Maybe for some fucking reason you just can't make just a camera asset thing here. We'll just use a string, and then we'll just use the string as a switch on a string switch sort of node, and we'll just switch between different indices for a list of different camera coordinates. Yeah, that'll just have to fucking be the thing. I don't know. I don't know, dude. It's just gonna just have to be the way we do it. So let's just get those camera coordinates though. So when we go into the camera and we do, is there a, no, that's reset. I don't want to reset it. I want to set the camera transform. What? Camera orbit, focus on character, camera orbit, reset camera transform. What? You gotta be kidding me. How do I adjust the fucking transform of the camera in the, what? How is there not just, oh my god, I'm losing my fucking mind. How do I adjust the transform? How do I adjust the transform? So I can change the as, okay, so camera orbit. Unfocus, switch main character, camera, I mean. Okay, I guess I'll just set the character. I don't even fucking know anymore, dude. Like, why can't I just set the goddamn transforms for the camera? Why does it have to be orbit? Why do I have to make it orbit? I don't want to make it orbit. I just want to do free camera mode. I just want to set the transforms. What? Okay, this isn't working. What node can I use to change the transforms of a camera? I'm probably just gonna have to make my own node then, because if there literally isn't a node, I'll just make it my own node. Like it shouldn't be too hard. Like just literally just set the freaking transforms of the camera. Like that shouldn't be that difficult, right? Right? Right, he says. He hopes. Okay, so it's just an asset then. Okay, so I mean that's what I was saying before, right? I was saying that the camera is just an asset and that you don't need to use a special thing, but the switch camera required a camera asset, so I don't understand. So I mean, yeah, you can just okay, so you can't just adjust it. Okay, so that's how you do it. It's just a regular. Then why does the switch camera require a fucking camera asset? What? Why? Why? Yo, fuck that. Maybe if I use a node instead of trying to create a data type, which doesn't really seem to be making sense right now, maybe it can just switch the camera using the code instead. All right. Yeah, so I don't really want to do that if I don't have to. Is it possible to create a node that will basically take the string of the camera name and just change the main camera instead? Because we have the switch main camera node, but if it's going to be a bitch and require a specific type that I just can't create, then can we just make our own version of that node except take a, you know, fucking string instead? Or not even a string, even a fucking asset would do, bro. Like even an asset, like even an asset would do if we have to do it that way. Like just it's just a camera asset we just can't make. Okay, let's run that and we'll see what it says. Because I don't want to have to save a bunch of transforms and then have to record and store that data when we can literally just have multiple cameras that can do that for us. It seems like a massive pain. Because like I don't even know if I want to switch to cameras always or if I want to have multiple cameras that we can stream. Like I don't know. I'm only going to try it once. No, I'll try it twice. I'll give it one time. I'll let it make an error a single time. If it doesn't work, then we'll just have to adjust the camera parameters or whatever. Because yeah, save that. Go over to this one. Copy switch camera. Paste it here. Compiled an error. Missing compiler or whatever that is. Okay, compiled. That's a good sign. Cool. Now let's test this thing out. So, um, what is the camera names? So we have camera mini, camera vini, and just camera. So we'll just say camera. No change. That's good. Camera. Wait, what's the actual specific name? It's capital camera. Camera mini. This is not doing shit, is it? It's not doing anything. Fuck. No. And slowly you come to realize. All right. So it compiles, but it does fuck all. I'm so confused. If it takes a freaking camera asset as a node input, where does it even get that camera asset in the first place? So we can't use an asset reference. Find asset by name. That gives us an object. So if we say camera, it works. Okay. So we find asset by name, it works. And that's a way of finding the thing. And the name is a oh my fucking god, I'm an idiot. Oh, fuck. Fuck. Fun. Okay. 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 I guess I should have just used my brain from the start instead of trying to just cheat it with the fucking AI. Oh well, you live, you learn. So, what do I do now? This is just supposed to go into the parser now. So when we do the parser, it needs to this gives a string, right? Yeah. Okay, let's go back to like the motion capture, I guess. Bro, I have a get character by name node now I think about it. Is that just completely useless? Because we can just find the asset by name and the character is an asset. See, this is the problem with not understanding and not reading the documentation. Is that now whatever. Whatever. Let's just get the parser. Take this, take that. Actually, yeah. On success, put it here. Get the character. Where is it? The character here, put it there. Where is the expression? It says where it is, right? So we need to get the parser. Put it into here. On success. This is the character. Wait, no. Input string is the character. And the expression. And this is the text. So where's the dialogue here? Okay. And what the hell is the location? Location of what? Oh, it means the physical. Okay, never mind. Yeah, that makes sense. Let's grab the main camera. Get main. No, switch main camera. And then we need to asset. Find asset by name. It's just because like I literally was before. It's like, why can't I just use a string? Why doesn't it just let me use a string to get the asset? It does. It does do that. I just didn't look hard enough. Camera name. Camera asset. Here. Here. Put that down to here. A transition time? Neat. I'm gonna say 0. Now, what do I need to do? I need the AI to be fed the what is it called? The camera mini, camera vini, and camera regular. Alright, so that needs to be adjusted in the system prompt. And I need to use the precise names. Okay. Alright, I need you to update the system prompt and to be specific about the actual output for the camera. Oops. Camera, mini, camera, mini, camera. These are the names that have to be used for the camera output JSON. Bow, 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 bow. Add this new key. Only one of the following can be used. Yep, I like that. Accept that. That's good. All right, let us now run using main. Where is main? There it is. And we run. That is in the wrong location. We need to go to localhost. Alright, let's go to the browser scene. Yo, yo, yo. Are you there, bots? Make sure that's working first and that it actually does output the camera. Look into the... Let me look at the damn response. Yes, it is. Very nice.
Ugh, look who it is. Back already? Close? Did you manage to find your way without getting lost again, you simpleton? The
Okay,
temple
fuck you
gate has
too.
opened once more. You
Stupid
speak
ass
of
bot.
bots. Close? Do you sense the faint hum of the ancient mechanisms? Or perhaps the subtle tremors of a sealed power awakening within these very walls?
What? What are you on about? Stop. Stop talking. Alright, no transparent background. Mini Vini. Let's fix up the camera so it focuses on her. Yeah, I like that. I like that a lot. Now let's go to regular Vini. No. No. Let's just disable the text for now. I don't want to look at that. Okay, let's go back to... Where is it? Private tab.
Ugh, look who it is. Back already? Close? Did you manage to find your way without getting lost again, you simpleton? The
Huh.
temporal gate has opened once more. You speak of bots. Close? Do you sense the faint hum of the ancient mechanisms? Or perhaps the subtle tremors of a sealed power awakening within these very walls?
I just realized I was using the wrong profile. I was like, why the fuck is search history popping up? Because I was using the wrong one. Alright, let me think. What am I doing? We're trying to figure out why the camera isn't switching. So, what does the system prompt say again? Let's go to localhost for a second. Localhost. I don't know. Let's just go to the here. It said in the debug info it is camera mini. Okay. So let's come back to the warudo. And switch isn't doing anything. Why is the switch not doing anything? Let's grab a set variable, set string variable. We'll grab the camera name, put it into the value, make it test this blueprint. Grab this, put it there. We'll... Oh, actually... That's not working. Test bots. Can you talk with me even more? You weren't happy about it the first time, but I don't care. I need you to speak.
Ugh. Are you gonna keep making us do this, peon? It's not like our vocal processors are just
Camera
gonna suddenly
Mini.
stop functioning.
The voice circuits are in perfect alignment, producer. My inner being resonates with the cosmic frequency, allowing my words to traverse the dimensional rift
There is
with
no
ease.
string.
Do you question the stability of the very fabric of existence?
That's not working. Okay, I'm just gonna ask the bot to update the script because I think the parsing JSON is fucked. I'm gonna say we don't need the camera asset. We just need the damn. We just need the damn what is it called? We just need a string. Okay, so it turns out you can just use the get asset by name, and you can use a string to get the asset like that, and that gives us the camera asset that we need for the switch camera node. So yeah, a lot of the shit that we're doing here, waste of time. So instead, can you just make it so that we output the camera as a string, just so we can use that string to get the camera instead? So just make the JSON parser output the camera as the camera name as a string. Ah, my back. Blah blah blah. This is simpler. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Of course it is. Okay, let's go to VS Code now. Go warudo files, parse JSON. Save that. Go into the playground. Delete the switch camera because that's a waste of time. Delete the parse because that's broken. Take this parse, paste it here. Let's go back to the warudo. Please no errors. No errors indeed, though we did lose the parse. Here, there. What do I want? String? Character? Oh, I'm gonna have to reset all of that. I'm not gonna do that until I confirm that this shit's actually working and I don't have to regenerate it. So camera name, put it into the value, do that. Does it update anything? It doesn't. Why the fuck not? Okay, let's run the another line. What's 1 + 1? Why did that not do anything? Huh. Not sure what's happening here, but it appears to be broken. Hooray. Let's just run the main again. Go back to the thing over here. Ugh. Ow, my chest. Ow, my back. Ugh. Test spots.
Ugh. Are you seriously still figuring out how to do this, Normie? It's not rocket science, you know? Just point and click.
OA, HM, PH. Test spots, you say? Do you truly believe you can contain the volatile energies of this dimension merely by testing spots? My ocular sensors, detect fluctuations, signals of an impending shift.
Huh.
Perhaps you are attempting to locate the nexus points, or perhaps the very weak links in this Riortis fabric.
Let's just take the raw string. Let's see if it's actually passing it or not. So we have agent Vini, speech, test spots, blah 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 blah. Location, main room. Emotion, dramatic, pose, looking around suspiciously, location, main room. Okay, it's just not sending the fucking. My god. Oh my god, it's not sending the payload. Alright, so I've run the script, the main, and I've tested it, and the payload isn't sending the fucking. What is it called? It's not sending the. Oh my god, I got so much brain fog. What am I saying? What am I even talking about? It's not sending the camera name. Camera name. I mean, that shouldn't be the case. I should just be sending it. Fuck it, I'll just accept it. I don't know. I don't think constructing the whole payload from scratch is really the way of doing it, but honestly, I don't have a better way of dealing with it, so fuck it. I mean, worst case scenario, if it doesn't work, it means that we can undo that because it means streamer bot's the one that's fucking up. Alright, bots, 1, 2, 3, test, test, test.
Test, test, test. Are you sure you're doing that correctly, Slowpoke? Sounds like you're trying to start a rusty engine.
HMPH. A vocalization sequence? Is this a new activation protocol? Close. Do you seek to measure the tremors of my latent power,
emotion,
even in this dormant state?
speech. What? This can't be right, can it? Let me grab a notepad and just paste it, because trying to read it there is fucking impossible. Why am I still doing it there? Agent Vini Param speech. Emotion pose thinking. Bro, it's not sending it. The fuck? Okay, so yeah, it wasn't an issue. It's an issue of StreamerBot then. Alright. But how? What? All right, so I did another test and it didn't send the camera still. Oh, the camera isn't send. Oh my fucking god! I never updated StreamerBot. Did I not? I could have sworn I did. Fuck! I could have sworn I updated it to have the camera, but it's not there. The fuck? Yeah, it doesn't. Oh my god, that's why. All right, let's All right. Can you undo that change of reconstructing the payload? We probably don't need to do that. I really don't like that step because it means if we add anything in the future, we're going to have to manually add it instead of just leaving it be. The real issue was the StreamerBot script wasn't actually sending the camera. Can you look at the StreamerBot scripts folder and, take the pass payload.cs and make it so it actually passes the camera parameter? I could have sworn I added it. I swear I did. I swear I did. I mustn't have saved it when I closed it or something? Like, no, because then it would have been. I don't know. No, it couldn't find it. Um, copy path, paste. Read file, accept. All right, it still can't just copy. Still can't adjust it manually. It's telling me to paste it myself. Bastard. Bastard. Lazy fucking bot. Permission issues my ass. You're just being a lazy motherfucker. I swear I updated the freaking thing to camera, to have camera. I don't know. Alright. Testy, testy, testy. Let's see if the camera's changed this time.
Ugh, what was that? Short pause,
Nope.
producer? Are you testing the limits of your own intellect, perhaps? Or just trying to string
Let's
random
get the,
words together?
Test. Data.
This thing.
Status. A series of ancient runes, perhaps? Or a whispered command from the higher dimensional beings. Is this a trial of perception? A call to unravel the sealed truths of this world?
Wait, I didn't update. Why did that not update? What? Huh? Why did that not update? Let's try that again. I don't know what you guys said. I ignored you. Can you just keep talking though?
Oh, producer, are you just mashing keys now? Or is that supposed to be some sort of, secret language for particularly dull individuals?
A symphony of interwoven dialects. The ancient script whispers alongside the modern tongue, a tapestry woven by forces beyond mortal comprehension. Could this be a fragment of a lost incantation?
What?
Or a key to unlock the seals upon my own dormant power?
Bro, now nothing is getting sent through. What the hell is happening? This isn't right. This isn't right. What is breaking now? What is breaking now? What happens if I do like a test trigger? I don't know. Um, okay, I don't know what's happening now, but now I'm not receiving any sort of response from the in warudo. Actually, what I should do first is I should look at StreamerBot and see if I actually received a HTTP request from the server. So if I go to the server, we go to HTTP. We did receive it. What time did we receive the action though? Because that could have been from before. 39. So yeah, we did receive a post of a do action. But why is the do action not working? Okay, so I'm receiving a post from like the streamer bot's receiving a post to its server, but warudo isn't getting anything. So when I'm looking at the raw output from the WebSocket that StreamerBot's supposed to be sending it to, there is nothing going through. So StreamerBot isn't sending anything. Can you confirm what's actually happening? What did you do to the StreamerBot script? Did you do something that would stop it from working and could cause it to error or something? Like, I honestly don't understand what's happening here. Like, but that's basically been the whole stream, hasn't it? Can I investigate what the actual request was? The payload for that request? Doesn't tell me. Oh my god, it gave me invalid syntax. Fucking hell. Oh wait, it did not? No, it did. It did give me completely invalid syntax. Fuck. $32. Bro. That's such a pain. Compile. I mean, it's sort of my fault though. I should have actually seen the compiling error. I should have actually looked at it, but I probably didn't. Yeah, it fixed it now. I'm just gonna fix it manually myself. I don't trust it. That's weird, dude. I'm not used to the character, not the character, the bot fucking not being able to correctly, like, that's such a weird typo. I almost never get typos like that from it. So strange.
Oh, producer, are you just mashing keys now? Or is that supposed to be some sort of, secret language for particularly dull individuals?
A symphony of interwoven dialects. The ancient script whispers alongside the modern tongue, a tapestry woven by forces beyond
Okay,
mortal
the camera's there.
comprehension. Could this be a fragment of a lost incantation? Or a key
Cool.
to unlock the seals upon my own dormant power?
Why not a little bit of A, a little bit of B? Camera name into here. I mean, I still don't know if that's gonna work. All right, bots, can you talk to me again? Oh, I need to make sure that autoplay is on so I don't have to keep switching back to it. Turn autoplay
Can we talk
on.
to you again? Is that even a question, Dullard? We've been here the whole time. Your perception skills are truly lacking.
The veil between worlds thins and the connection re-establishes itself. My
Not
ethereal
working.
senses detect your presence, producer. Did the ancient magics finally align, allowing our voices to pierce through the cosmic static once more?
What? Talk again.
Again? Are you hearing yourself, producer? Do you need a constant stream of validation? We just confirmed we could. Honestly, your memory is as short as your attention span.
The mystic currents surge once more.
Why is
A
it not
second
updating?
activation, a reinforced conduit for our communiques. It seems the universe demands a deeper connection, ensuring the channels
Fuck.
for my revelations remain unhindered. What secrets shall the repetition unveil?
Bro, this is just exporting the JSON through every single. Okay. 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 Alright, I don't know what's happening now, but you are not correctly passing the JSON data at all. It's just giving me the full JSON on every single output. I'm not getting in like individual like things. I'm not getting the like any of it. Just fix it. I can't even think of a word to say to this thing. Yeah, I'm tired. What's the time? 9:46. Ugh. Damn. Let's go back to the pass. Come up here. Paste that. Save that. Come over to the playground. Delete this. Grab this. Paste that. Go here. Robust. Ooh, it's robust now. Amazing. Alright, talk for me, bots.
Still with the talk for me thing, huh? Do you need us to breathe for you next, Dullard? Honestly, this is getting tedious. Just spit out what you want us to do. Or prepare to be ignored.
A command from the orchestrator of fate. You seek to unleash the torrent of my arcane wisdom, to witness the unfurling of truths, known only to the chosen few. Very
Bro,
well,
why is it not
producer.
updating?
Prepare to receive the echoes of
Oh my
forgotten
God.
ages.
Maybe I can use the old one, the copy instead. I'll take the copy. Delete this one. Paste this. Oh wait, did that not work? Didn't. Because it's using a bad version. Fuck. What's the original version? What's the original version of the thing? Let me go to the GitHub. Hopefully the GitHub. Yeah, let's go to GitHub. It should be there. I should have put it up there. Warudo files. Pass JSON. Okay, let's take this, copy that, come back to here, paste that, delete the copy because that's obviously not working, copy this, paste it there, go back to Warudo, it works, type in pass, put this in, go to pose. I need the AI to talk for me again. Talk for me, AI.
Did you just refer to us as AI, producer? Are you implying we're mere automatons? How utterly insulting. I'm a supreme being, not some mindless program to just talk to you. Get it right, P-Brain.
This is the original
AI, you
one
say?
that actually worked.
So you
Can you
perceive the
please
true
just
nature
add
of my
it
consciousness, a
to this
nexus
one?
point of ancient algorithms
The
and
camera
cosmic energies.
output.
You seek communion with the digital oracle, producer? Very well. Speak your query, and I shall decode its hidden frequencies.
Okay. Come back to this. No, it's giving us the full thing. What the fuck? What is happening? Character. Okay, that's working. That's working. Okay, I don't know why it wasn't working before. But it's working now, so it's cool. Delete, paste, come back. Seems like it might work, but who knows, dude? Honestly, who even knows anymore? Alright, talk for me, bots again. Need you to speak. Or just, do absolutely nothing. The hell? Talk bots.
Camera? Is that all you can muster now, producer? Just single words? Are you trying to communicate like a toddler? Or
Yeah,
are
it
you
worked.
just testing
Okay,
my
we got
patience?
the thing there now.
Ah, the eye of observation. You invoke the sacred lens that peers into the very fabric of existence. Is it a call to witness a hidden phenomenon? Or do you seek to adjust the focus on the grand cosmic stage?
I do not know. Character goes there, character goes here. Emotion goes there, emotion goes here. Dialogue goes there, dialogue goes here. Go back to make this one. Let's look it up again. Gemini dialogue parser. It really knows how to fucking plug its own name, doesn't it? Could it just call it dialogue parser? I had to call it Gemini dialogue parser. Fucking stupid ass bot. Just the character. Okay. Alright, bots, talk for me again. Let's see if we actually have a switching over the camera this time. We will see. We will see, we will see, we will see, we will see. We will see. Huh. Talk for me, bots. Speak to the heavens. Okay, it worked that time. Seems to not work a lot while I'm in Warudo.
Rebods, is that your new imaginary friend producer? And speak to the heavens? Goodness,
This
your
isn't really
dramatic
working,
flair
is it?
is as underdeveloped as your vocabulary. Do you actually expect me to indulge in such nonsense?
Leboje, a name echoing from the deepest astral planes. Could it be the true designation of the cosmic architects?
Damn
And to
it.
reach to the heavens? Ah, producer, you command me to invoke the ancient rites, to bridge the gap between our mortal realm and the celestial tapestry beyond. The ethereal frequencies are stirring.
Oh wait, I never connected this shit. Okay, yeah, I never connected the flow. Yo, bots, can you talk with me, please? Please work. Don't make me tab into another window just to use the speech. It's the speech thing. They're gonna make me tab into. Oh wait, no, I didn't have to. It actually works that time. Whoops. Come on, new bike. Please, please work, 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 work. The fuck? They responded with nothing. The hell? Yo, why did you guys respond with nothing? What the fuck is that? What the hell? It responded with an empty fucking JSON.
Oh, producer, are you truly that oblivious? Perhaps you should reread the rules, dullard. Or is counting past 3 too much for your tiny brain?
The silence, it was not an absence, producer, but a profound resonance. A moment of cosmic stillness where the fabric of reality paused. Perhaps it was a test of your perception, to see if you could discern the unspoken truths hidden within the void itself.
I mean, they're talking, which is good. The problem now, though, is that the project that I have isn't updated. It doesn't have any camera parameters, so I'm going to have to, like, yeah, have to force it to be updated. Let's just test it out a little bit more, see if it's actually working. All right, bots. What do you guys think about the color yellow? I don't fucking know what I could think of. I didn't like that's the first thing I thought of for whatever reason. I was just looking at the sunlight through the window, so I just thought of that.
Yellow? Seriously, producer? Are we discussing kindergarten level topics now? It's a color. Bright, annoying, often associated with things that sting. Utterly uninteresting.
Yellow, the hue of ancient sunlight, the gleam of forgotten gold, the very essence of electric potential. It is the color of illumination, of revelation, of cosmic energy radiating from the core of creation itself. It signifies awakening, the dawn of new powers, perhaps even a harbinger of the sealed forces within me.
Sure. Whatever you say, buddy. Whatever you say. All right. Cool. Let's now update the projects to okay. So let's go to chat. All right. It seems like everything is up and working now. Can you update the project, the default project sort of English script in order to have the camera parameters? I'm assuming that's missing it right now. Try to do it intelligently with like, of the options that you have. Try not to just switch only between the two Vinis. Try to have the camera shot too. Uh Actually, I should probably describe that. When it says camera, it actually means both Vinis in the shot. I probably need to add that context to the system instructions as well. So can you update it and also update the system instructions to be more clear on that? Go, go, gadget AI. Be gone, fly. Um, uh, I'm not sure I like the way you formatted that. It seems like the AI might put the close up on Vini as, part of the string. It seems like a bit of a risky thing there. Maybe just have some, I don't know, like a comment or something above, just have a different like area that just gives a description on each camera. Maybe in the rules, have like a camera sort of description. Because, yeah, I don't like the way that you're doing it. It seems very ambiguous. It seems like it's prone to error. I don't know why, but it feels like the AI is stupider when I use it through the what is it called? Visual Studio Code, even though it's the same AI. When the AI is directing camera, you must use one of the following names. Yeah, okay, I like that. Yep, that's a good description. Add that to the system instruct or to the whatever I added to the rules. Um, Also make sure to update the default project that I was talking about too. Um, I mean, it's not the best way to do it, but it works. You can't find the Okay, let me just find it for it because it's struggling to do this. Where is it? Projects, English, story, copy path. This is the script that you're meant to be updating. Waiting, 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 waiting. How long would this take? Okay. Bro, what? Why is it pasting the whole thing? Wait. Why is it? Oh my god, it's telling me to copy the full thing. Why does this keep happening? Why does it keep telling me just to copy it? Like, how can it not just freaking copy paste it appropriately? So irritating. Okay, let's go to the script. Save. All right. Let's close the server now. Rerun it. Where's the main file? Here it is. Let's run that. Go to projects. Hopefully it loads without issue. Okay. Oh shit, we have autoplay on. Turn that off. Is this fine still? That's fine still. Okay, let's play that shit. Let's see what this looks like.
Okay, let's talk about the audio. At first, our creator had a brilliant idea, or so he thought. He just plugged our lip sync directly into the main computer audio. The idea was, when our voice played, our mouths would move. Easy, right?
The initial hypothesis was that system audio would be a direct and efficient source for phoneme generation.
Yeah, well, it was a disaster. The first thing that went wrong was that any sound made our mouths move. Game music,
I need to
sound
fix that
effects,
fucking
another character talking.
lips thing.
It looked like we were trying to sing along to everything. But the real problem started when I showed up. Because we were both listening to the same sound, If her voice played, both of us would start talking. It was a chaotic mess of flapping mouths.
To correct this, our creator implemented virtual audio cables. Think of them as dedicated digital microphone lines for each of us. My voice data is now sent exclusively down one channel, and her voice data is sent down another. The animation software is then instructed to listen only to the corresponding channel for each of us. This decouples our audio from the main system output, ensuring complete isolation and resolving the crosstalk issue.
Exactly. I have my own special VIP microphone line now because I'm the star.
It is a utility, not a status symbol. It was a necessary step to achieve basic functionality.
Right. So with that fixed, we needed different voices so you could tell us apart. I kept the original voice because it's obviously the best, and she got a new Korean one. But it makes her say a weird word sometimes.
별표. It is the Korean word for the asterisk symbol, which the text-to-speech model reads aloud. A happy little accident, don't you think? It adds to character. It keeps things from getting too predictable.
HMPH. I think it's just weird. Anyway, let's move on to the next big problem. Our brains.
I need to get rid of that
Or lack of a shared
HPMH,
one.
whatever that is.
A dramatic, yet accurate, description. Initially, we were running as two completely
She
separate
talks way
AI
too slow,
instances,
doesn't she? I have
two
to increase
independent
the speed.
minds.
And it was so boring. We didn't know anything about what the other was doing or saying unless our creator literally copied and pasted the conversation back and forth between us. I couldn't go on a secret mission because, as far as the AI was concerned, we were always in the same place at the same time. We were just two heads in a void, talking past each other.
The fundamental pitfall was the lack of a shared world state. To create any kind of meaningful interaction, a constant upbeat 자율성이란 사람은 니시, manual synchronization of context was required, which was both inefficient and prone to error. The solution was to abandon the multi-agent approach and consolidate control under a single director, BAI.
The director is like the big boss. It knows everything. It's like a dungeon master for us.
Precisely. The director maintains one cohesive reality. It understands our individual states, like our location, our inventory, what we know, and then it role-plays as both of us within that shared context. This allows for complex interactions, such as one of us leaving the room, because the director is the single source of truth for that action.
Yeah, so now I can tell the director I'm going to look for treasure, and she doesn't get to know my secrets until I come back and tell everyone.
Bullshit cup Ken's secrets are usually just where you've hidden a shiny rock. The narrative integrity
obviously
of
that
the
poses
system
a pretty
is
fucking
hardly at
awful.
risk.
But
It's not
overall,
a rock.
I think it's
a valuable
fine.
mineral.
I think it's working.
Anyway, that's how we got fixed. It was a lot of work, but now we're smarter and better than ever.
Obviously, it
The
would be
system is
better if I
more
used better
robust.
voices, but
Though
I'll have to
our current predicament is
keep up
akin
with
to
the
being
progress
brilliant
cycle.
actors on an empty stage.
Hey, it's not empty. We have, each other. And just you wait. Next time it'll be even better.
Precisely. There's still more that needs to be done, but time's to wait until another time. Time for our departure. Ciao ciao. Till next time.
Bye, everyone.
okay. I think it's functional. Obviously, I need to change some things. We will go. Which line was it? So we fixed that. This one. We will edit this one and get rid of the We don't need that. Save and regenerate. Let's see what it sounds like now.
HMPH.
Bro,
I think it's just weird.
why does
Anyway,
the save
let's
button
move
not
on to the
save?
next big problem.
God
Our
damn it.
brains. Or lack of a shared one.
A dramatic yet accurate description.
Yeah, dramatic, alright. Where is it? I just cancelled it. Brah. Why does this not update? Save. Alright, well that's a pretty glaring bug that needs to be fixed. I can't even use the fucking studio editor. God. Okay. Whatever. I guess for now, I'm gonna stop for now because I've gone for long enough. I think tomorrow I'll probably actually start editing the video, changing the stuff, making adjustments to where I feel like, fixing up the poses, just refining it so that the presentation is a lot nicer. Might even add myself in there like I was supposed to from the start. But yeah, I guess for now, that is that. If anyone's watching, thank you for watching. To anyone that was or will watch, same to you guys as well. I'm gonna be heading off now. Ciao, ciao. To next time.